Need to program your GE33709 remote? By the end of this video, your TV will be connected using the direct code entry method with the quickest setup. Let's get started. First, make sure your TV is powered on. You'll also need your GE33709 remote and the correct programming code for your TV brand. If you don't have the code list, don't worry. We'll cover another setup method in a separate video. Let's put the remote into programming mode. Press and hold the setup button until the red indicator light stays on. Then release the button. If the light stays on, you're ready for the next step. If you like quick technology tutorials that get straight to the point, consider subscribing to Quorixal. We publish simple guides that help you solve everyday tech problems without the frustration. Now let's finish setting up your remote. Press the TV button once. The red indicator light should blink once and stay on. Now enter the first 4-digit code for your TV brand. If the light turns off, the code has been accepted. Point the remote toward your TV and press the power button. If the TV turns off, congratulations, your remote is now programmed. Turn the TV back on using the remote so we can make sure everything else is working correctly. Now test the buttons you use most often. Try the volume, channel, mute, and menu buttons. If one or more buttons don't respond correctly, don't worry. Some TVs support multiple programming codes, and one code may work better than another. Simply repeat the setup using the next code listed for your TV brand until all of the important functions work as expected. Didn't have your TV's programming code? The GE33709 also supports autocode search, which lets the remote search for the correct code automatically. That's exactly what we'll cover in the next video. I hope this guide helped you get your remote working. If it did, a quick like helps other people find this video. And if you run into another tech problem, check out the Quorixal channel for more simple, step-by-step technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.